Hey guys, my name is Vanessa Connery, and I'm a science teacher for the APS Avenues GED and blended programs. So if you're in either of those programs, I'm your science person this year. I just wanted to say welcome and hello, and I know it's a really strange year, so I'm sorry that I can't say hello in person, but I just thought I'd let you know a little bit about me. So since we're doing this virtual thing, you can get to know me a little bit. Um, this is my third year teaching with APS Avenues, but it's my maybe 14th year teaching science. Um, I used to be a GED teacher as well at a workforce center, and yeah, I love science. I love science a lot. So I hope we can get you through all this madness and get you all the credits you need, and hopefully have some fun on the way. Some things about myself: I'm a mom of three, so these are my three kids. Okay, so this was a couple years ago, but this is Jaden. He's my oldest. He's 10 now. And then Christopher's my middle guy, and he's 8 now. And Rosalie is 7. So those are my three kiddos that might be running by as you're watching live classes with me because they're pretty wild. Um, Other things about me: I went to CSU, Colorado State University, and got my degree in forestry and biology. Um, what else? I have a public speaking phobia, so talking to the camera is a little weird for me. My apologies. I live in Longmont actually, so my commute to Aurora is crazy when I'm going there in person. It takes me about an hour to an hour and a half to get to the site. So yeah, if I look tired when you see me in person later this year, that's why. Um, I really enjoy mountains and hiking and all that outdoorsy stuff. Um, I also enjoy not doing active stuff and sitting around and watching Netflix and eating chocolate. So, yeah, let me know if you guys need anything this year, this strange semester, and tell me some things about yourself and let me know if there's anything I can do to make the year easier or better and help you out. All right, take care.